Every time you open a social media app, your feed feels instant. Posts appear, videos start playing, and content seems perfectly tailored to you. But what you're seeing isn't random, and it's not chronological anymore. Behind every social media feed is a complex system of algorithms making thousands of decisions in real time. So how do social media feeds actually work? Let's break it down, step by step. When social media platforms first launched, feeds were simple. Posts appeared in the order they were shared, newest content went to the top, older content moved down. But as platforms grew, this became a problem. People followed hundreds, sometimes thousands of accounts. If everything appeared in order, most posts would be missed entirely. So platforms changed the system. Instead of showing everything, they started showing what they thought you'd care about most. This is where algorithms come in. A social media algorithm is a set of rules and calculations that decide what content appears in your feed, in what order, and how often. Its main goal is simple: keep you on the app for as long as possible. The longer you stay, the more ads you see. And ads are how social media platforms make money. To do this, the algorithm tries to predict one thing: what will you engage with? Engagement is the most important signal in social media feeds. This includes likes, comments, shares, saves, follows, and how long you watch a post or video. Even pausing to read something counts. Every time you interact with content, you're training the algorithm. You're teaching it what you like, what you ignore, and what makes you stay. Let's say you watch a full video about fitness, and you like it. Then you watch another similar video. The algorithm notices this pattern and thinks, okay, this person likes fitness content, so it shows you more of it. Over time, your feed becomes more personalized. Two people can follow the same accounts and still see completely different feeds. This is because feeds are built around signals. There are three main types of signals social media platforms use. The first is user behavior. This includes what you like, comment on, share, save, watch fully, skip, or scroll past quickly. It also includes who you interact with most and how often you open the app. The second is content information. This includes captions, hashtags, keywords, audio, visuals, video length, and topic. Platforms analyze this to understand what the post is about. The third is relationship signals. If you regularly message someone, comment on their posts, or interact with their content, the platform assumes you care about them and shows you their posts more often. All of these signals are constantly updated. Your feed is never finished. It's rebuilt every time you open the app. Now let's talk about ranking. Once the algorithm gathers potential posts, it ranks them. Each post is given a score based on how likely you are to engage with it. Posts with higher scores move to the top of your feed. Posts with lower scores may barely be shown or not shown at all. This is why some posts go viral while others disappear. Timing still matters, but not as much as it used to. A post from 2 days ago can still appear if the algorithm thinks you'll like it. Video content plays a huge role here. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube prioritize videos because it keeps people watching longer. Watch time is one of the strongest signals an algorithm uses. If you watch a video to the end, that's a big positive signal. If you share it, the algorithm sees it as highly valuable. This is why short, engaging videos dominate feeds today. Now let's talk about recommendations. Not all content in your feed comes from people you follow. Large portion comes from recommendation systems. These systems look at your behavior and compare it to millions of other users. If people with similar habits liked certain content, the algorithm may show it to you too. This is how For You pages work. You don't need to follow someone to see their content. You just need to behave in a way that suggests you'd enjoy it. This system is powerful, but it also has downsides. Because algorithms prioritize engagement, they often push content that triggers strong emotions. This can include excitement, shock, anger, or controversy. Content that makes people react tends to spread faster than calm or neutral content. Over time, this can create what's called an echo chamber. You see more of what you already agree with and less of opposing viewpoints. The algorithm isn't trying to mislead you, it's simply responding to your behavior. If you want to change what you see, you have to change how you interact. Scrolling past certain content quickly, muting topics, or following new accounts sends new signals. Engaging thoughtfully reshapes your feed over time. From a creator's perspective, understanding this is powerful. The algorithm doesn't hate small creators, or it doesn't favor big accounts just because they're big. It favors content that keeps people watching and engaging. This is why hook matters. The first few seconds of a post or video are critical. If people stop scrolling, the algorithm pays attention. They keep watching, the content gets shown to more people. Consistency also matters. Regular posting gives the algorithm more data to work with. But quality always beats quantity. One strong post can outperform 10 average ones. At the end of the day, social media feeds aren't magical. They're feedback systems. They learn from you. They adapt to you. And they change constantly. Your feed is a reflection of your behavior, not just your interests, but your habits. So the next time you open an app and think, why am I seeing this? The answer is simple. At some point, you taught the algorithm to show it to you. And now, you know how social media feeds really work.